Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to integrate HubSpot with Gmail. First things first, we are going to use Zapier. So we need to create ourselves an account or log in into our existing account at zapier.com. Once we are in here, we want to go to top left corner and click on create a Zap. Zap stands for integration in this language. On top left corner, we can name our Zap. So once we need to go back to it and find it and reuse it or repurpose it, we can simply, for example, write down hub to Gmail, and we can proceed with the integration itself. So right now, with a trigger, we want to go with a HubSpot. We can choose from tons of events like new company, new contact, and many more. And since it's with Gmail, so we go with a new email event. Connect, and then all you have to do is sign in into your HubSpot account. I'm gonna try it like this. And they sent me the code. One moment. It should not take long. They are pretty swift actually with all those things. And yep, here it is. Choose account. And let's go with Connect app. And it should be all done. As you can see, HubSpot account connected. We hit continue. We are aiming for all those green lights on the right side. So event type, let's go with send, continue. And now we can test the trigger. Hopefully it will, yeah, we couldn't find an email event. So obviously. Second one is an action, and we want to write down Gmail. We found Gmail. Now we have to create an event. So when a new email event in HubSpot appears, it will create a label, for example. It's completely up to you. It doesn't have to be this one. And we gonna hit and log in with the account that we actually want to set up an action. For example, new event, like this. Yeah, but I have to first, obviously, set up the trigger. But once you set up this action, you will be able to finish the integration. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.